Good morning, beautiful souls. Are you ready to kickstart your day with a burst of energy? Well, you're in luck, because today we're sharing with you our top 5 high-protein breakfasts that will keep you feeling full and focused until lunchtime. Let's dive in. First up, we have a classic favorite oatmeal, but not just any oatmeal. We're talking about protein-packed oatmeal. Start by cooking your oats as usual, then add a scoop of your favorite protein powder and stir until well combined. Top it off with some fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious breakfast that'll keep you fueled for hours. Next on our list is a simple yet satisfying breakfast egg and avocado toast. Toast up some whole grain bread, then top it with mashed avocado and a perfectly cooked egg. Sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs for an extra flavor boost. This breakfast is not only high in protein, but also rich in healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Moving on, we have a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious: the Greek yogurt parfait. Simply layer Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a breakfast that's packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's like having dessert for breakfast, but way healthier. Now, who doesn't love a good smoothie in the morning? Blend up some spinach, banana, protein powder, and your choice of milk for a creamy and delicious protein smoothie that'll leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Last but certainly not least, we have everyone's favorite breakfast pancakes. But these aren't your ordinary pancakes. Oh no. These protein-packed pancakes are made with a combination of protein powder, oats, and Greek yogurt for an extra boost of protein. Serve them up with some fresh fruit and a drizzle of maple syrup for a breakfast that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth while still keeping you on track with your fitness goals. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 high-protein breakfasts to fuel your morning and set you up for success. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.